As you know, Warren Buffett has made a practice of not making calls on where he thinks the market is heading, but he does have a pretty unique view into consumer and enterprise behavior. And I asked him if the markets right now make sense to him.
I think there are times when opportunities are just thrown at you so fast you can't, it's unbelievable. And then there's other times when you're very, very lucky if you find one thing in a couple of years. And it should always be that the latter is what prevails. But since humans love to gamble so much, there's more money in actually cultivating gamblers than there are cultivating investors. If somebody bought Berkshire 40 years, 50 years ago, a guy would have made one commission. and he should spend the rest of his time telling the client, don't do anything with it. And that's just not the way. We can't expect that of humans. But every now and then you do find people you find people who behave far better than other people.
Fair to say, though, it's tougher to find values or find
it's
cheap
tough to find
opportunities?
values when everybody is preferring gambling.
Yeah.
And from the standpoint of the state, we may have discussed this, but from the standpoint of the state, it's sort of disgusting because the state needs money for all kinds of things, roads, schools, you name it. And they have found that they can clip people who are buying nothing but hope, selling them something with a payout ratio of 60% or something like that. And if they weren't doing that, they'd have to have the income tax higher. Right. It's a cynical sort of activity. And I think the less you get cynicism between the governing body and the people of the government, you don't want people to be cynical about their system. But there's times when the system says, just be as cynical as you want because this is what I'm going to do, baby.
Even though Buffett says that it's not easy to find cheap deals to do anywhere, it hasn't stopped the company from doing things. Greg Abel, the new CEO, obviously bought Taylor Morrison for $6.8 billion earlier this year. And then he turned around and did the $10 billion placement, the private placement for Google shares. And we're going to talk a lot more about those things over the course of time, but just some interesting things to see where they stand right now.